Hello children, today we are going to continue with chapter number 2, File Management and Data Organization. Here in this video, we will learn the following topics from page number 17 and 18. We will learn how to search a file or folder using different wildcard characters, asterisk and question mark. Before going to start the chapter, let's discuss the key terms that we will learn from page number 17 and 18. Here the first term is searching, where searching means to find any file or folder from our computer. When we don't know the exact name of the file or folder, we can find our file or folder by using search box. And here is the another term, wildcard character, where wildcard character is a special symbol used to search file or folder from our computer. Here we will learn in Windows there are two wildcard characters mostly used to find the files or folders. Here the first wildcard character is asterisk, where wildcard character asterisk is used to represent number of characters and wildcard character question mark is used to represent single character. Now open your computer book at page number 17. Here the topic is given searching a file or folder, where I have already explained the term searching. Now we will learn the steps to search a file or folder. Here are the steps to search a file or folder, where step number 1 is click on Start button. Now open your book at page number 18. Now here you can see step number 2, type the part of the file or folder name or a complete name in search box. Step number 3, select the desired file or folder. Step number 4, double click on it. Let's do it practically now. Now here you can see from your desktop, click on Start button. From Start button in search box, type the name of file or folder that you want to search. For example, I'm going to type here the name of the file that starts from P R I. Here you can see in the Start submenu, you will see all the files that starts from word PRI. Now select any file that you want to choose. For example, I'm going to select the file Priyanka. I will click on this file and you will see the file or folder that you have selected will open on your screen. Now look at your book at page number 18. Here you will see the next topic, searching file using wildcard characters, where we have already explained the term wildcards and also we have explained the term wildcard character asterisk. Now here we will see how can we find our files using asterisk sign. Here you can see in the first example, we have written L asterisk dot asterisk, where single asterisk mean it will show you the file that starts with L and having other number of characters, where dot asterisk means it will show you the files that contains any kind of extension of the file. Let's see it practically now. Now here you can see, click on the search box and type the name of the file that you want to search. For example, I know the only first letter of the file that I want to search, that is P. Here I have fixed the first letter P. Now I will write the next asterisk sign, which means after P any number of characters can be there in file. Then I will put a dot and asterisk, where dot asterisk mean it will show you all the files with any kind of extension. Here you can see it will show you all the files and folders that starts with letter P with any extension. Now again look at your book at page number 18. Here we will see the second example, that is asterisk dot docx will search all the files having the extension .docx, that is Word file. Let's do it practically now. Click on search box and type the name of the file that you want to search. For example, I'm going to write P R question mark dot docx. Now here you can see it will show you all the document files that starts with the letters PR and followed by one more character. Now again look at your book at page number 18. Look at the second example, that is KIPS 3 times question mark dot docx. It means it will show you all the files whose name starts with KIPS followed by any 3 number of characters with extension .docx. Let's say it practically now. Now again click on search box and type the name of file that you want to search. For example, I'm going to type here PRA 3 question marks. It means where PRA is the fixed name of the file followed by 3 more characters, and .docx will show you the files of document only. Now here you can see it will show you all the document files that starts with PRA and followed by 3 more characters. Now look at your book at page number 18. Here you can see a tip box is given where we will learn we can find a file folder by clicking on search box at the top of opened window. For example, documents, pictures, music, etc. Let's do it practically now. Now here you can see I will open downloads by double clicking on it. Now here you can see on the top of the window you can see search box. If you want to find any file or folder, you can type in this search box. For example, I want to find only the document files. First of all, click in the search box and type .docx. Here you can see it will show you all the document files in your window. Till now, we have learned the key terms from page number 17 and 18. Searching, wildcard character asterisk, and wildcard character question mark. Now revise all the terms, cross questions and step questions till done.